Magandang morning. So ngayon let's try to talk about this young lady na nagpunta sa Vespa Museum, Italy. I was so amazed kasi bihira yung nakakapunta rito, especially 140 years of celebration. So let's watch the video.
Yung apple na yan is actually one of the inspirations of Steve Jobs when he created the Apple logo. So si Steve Jobs pala, mahilig pala siya sa Vespa. And no wonder kasi ang ganda naman talaga ng Vespa.
Highly suggest you go to one of your nearest dealerships and you'll see all the modern Vespas there.
If you're a fan of Vespa, para kang nasa Candyland. Puro eye candy yung mga bikes. Sobrang cute.
Dapat smallest Vespa ever.
Dapat iuwi mo na yan sa Pilipinas.
Pwede sa highway ko.
Buongiorno! Welcome to Puntadera, Italy. Okay, so today kasama natin ang executives ng Auto Hub Group. So sila yung mga dealers ng Auto Hub, dealers ng Vespa, and isa sa mga incentive trip nila is to go and explore Italy. Kasama kami doon kahit hindi kami executive. But for today's tour, we're here in Punta Verde, Italy, and dito yung Piaggio Museum. So parang ano siya, ito yung Vespa Museum dito. So pasok tayo. Ito siya. So dahil Auto Hub Group yung kasama natin, meron tayong tickets for this. Pero I think they also accept walk-in dahil museum naman siya. So from Florence, sumakay kami ng bus and we traveled for about 1 hour to get here. Ito yung entrance nila. Di lang ako sure magkano yung ticket and yung overview ng lugar. And this is it. Ganito siya when you go inside. Ganda. If you're a fan of Vespa, para kang nasa Candyland. Puro eye candy yung mga bikes. Sobrang cute. When you think of Vespa kasi, you also think about Europe with the small streets, tapos yung mga Europeans nagmumotor lang sila to go around the city. Ganon. Cute! So magkakaroon kami ng guided tour. Sir Willie, the CEO of Auto Hub, poses sa giant Vespa.
Smallest Vespa ever.
Dapat iuwi mo na yan sa Pilipinas.
Pwede sa highway ko.
Ayan, baka 400cc, papasa sa expressway.
4-liter engine to.
Yung mga Vespa dito, as in way back. Tapos kasi diba minsan, may mga partnership yung Vespa with a certain brand, a certain event, ganyan. So, yung mga Vespas dito are from those collections, iba-ibang timeline. So, yan. Kung naabutan mo pa yung Yahoo na yan, dapat may asawa ka na. Grabe, oh. Can you see all these stickers? So, these are stickers from Vespa groups, Vespa riders, all over the world. Grabe, ang dami. And I'm sure mas madami pa yan kung nakakapunta lang dito yung mga tao sa buong mundo. Sobrang cute na mga Vespa dito. Iba-iba silang kulay. Alam mo yung M&M's? Parang lahat ng colors sa M&M's meron dito. Tsaka curious talaga ako malaman kung ilang taon na tong mga bikes na to dito. So, itong scooter na to is the first scooter made by Piaggio. And ang name niya is Paperino, which means Donald Duck. Kaya siya Donald Duck kasi medyo irregular yung shape niya and medyo awkward and kind of funny. Kaya yun yung naisip na lang ipangalan for that scooter. And this one, di ba nung unang panahon, hindi talaga nagtatrabaho yung mga babae, hindi sila nag-aaral. And si Piaggio, he wanted for women to ride. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nagkaroon ng space doon in front kasi yung mga babae, nakaskirt sila palagi for them to put their legs inside at para makapagmotor sila. So, kakatapos lang namin mag-tour, mag-guided tour dito sa Piaggio, and since bawal mag-video doon sa nagsasalita, I'll try to remember everything na natutunan ko doon sa tour namin. First off, Piaggio is started and owned by Enrico Piaggio and it was built 1884. This year is their 140th anniversary. Imagine, ganun nakatagal ang Piaggio. Not just Vespa, but Piaggio in general. This is the first Vespa scooter. Bibigyan kita ng fun fact.
The number one Vespa distributor.
Oh yes, definitely. Okay, fun facts are really, kahit magkasama naman tayo sa tour. So, yung Vespa ay WASP siya in Italian. And kaya WASP yung naging reference nila. Kasi pag inod nila yung Vespa, yung tunog.
At saka yung likod, Parang buntis, di ba?
Ayan. Paano buntis?
Yan.
Meron silang ganong sa likod.
Kamag-anak to ni Jollibee. Was.
So yun yung dahilan bakit Vespa yung tinawag nila sa Vespa.
Kung mapapansin nyo, the first scooters of Vespa are in those colors. Medyo malungkot, medyo dull, and that's because of the war. So after nung war, si Enrico Piaggio, he decided to make more colorful Vespas like this. And also may budget kasi siya. So he was able to afford machines that can generate colors like this. Kaya nakagawa siya ng ganyan. And from then on, naging sobrang pretty na ng kulay ng mga Vespas.
So another thing that I want to show you guys is this advertisement behind me. That's one of the posters of Vespa before. And yung apple na yan is actually one of the inspirations of Steve Jobs when he created the Apple logo. So si Steve Jobs pala, mahilig pala siya sa Vespa. And no wonder kasi ang ganda naman talaga ng Vespa. We have here Maurice. She's the national sales manager of Vespa Philippines. Tama?
Yes.
Okay. And we're here in the Vespa Museum. So, dahil nasa Vespa Museum na din tayo and she's from Vespa, siya na lang yung tatanungin ko. Can you tell me about this place?
Okay, well, this place, it highlights all the Vespas ever made, from the first ever Vespa,
Ayan, tama.
and then to the modern ones at the back. It's an honor to be here, like it's my first time to be here, and it's really overwhelming and inspiring also at the same time.
And then I can also see that Vespa is always doing a certain collection
Yeah,
every
they
year.
do collaborations also.
And then one of the bikes that's displayed here is their latest collection, latest model. It's the 140 years anniversary of Vespa. So this is the bike.
So guys, if there's no chance for you to come here anytime soon, highly suggest you go to one of your nearest dealerships and you'll see all the modern Vespas there.